Hello everyone, in this video I'm coming with one more AI tool that is helpful for researchers, faculty, students as well. With this AI tool you can go with the content creation, writing part, you can get the outline, you can get the suggestions, so everything you can do it in this AI tool. Okay, before starting with the tool, I request where is watching this video, please subscribe to this channel. Your individual subscription helps and gives motivation to create educational content. Okay, thank you. Let's get into this AI tool. The tool I'm going to teach in this video is Jenni AI. You just type Jenni AI in the Google, so you will get this window. So this is the tool I'm going to explain in this video. So the design for academic writing, you can write, you can cite also, and you can edit, featured built to enhance your research and writing capabilities. And it is one more thing is that it is for free up to some features. After that you have to go with the pro version, as like every tool it is going to charge for some upgraded versions. In this video I'm going to show you what are the features that are available for the free version. Okay, so let's get started with the Jenni AI. So when you go with the Jenni AI, you have to first log in through your email ID. Since I have already logged in through this email ID, so it is taking me directly to this window. Otherwise you have to sign up for the account, otherwise log in with your Google account, then it will take you to the window. Okay, when you logged into the window, you can see here it will show meet your intelligent research assistant. So you can read, you can write, you can cite, and you can organize research with easily. Okay, let's get start with the start writing, and it is mentioned it's free. So as a researcher you can use this for your thesis writing, literature writing, as well as any essay or else any report you want to write for the students, you can go with it. So let's get started with the writing part. So as you can see here, when you get into this, you will see lot of things. First one is new. If you want to go with the new document, AI chart, or else by uploading the library. So either you can upload it by PDF form, or else you can manually also you can import. Since I'm not going with the import, then you can go with the library also. You can build your research engine. For example, when you go with the PDF file, you just have to upload the PDF file. With respect to that PDF file, you can chat with the library. As well as AI chart, here you can see that when you click it on AI chart, you can chat with the AI. So these are the features with respect to the Jenni. So first let's get it with started with the AI documents. So when it click on the documents, for example, if I want to search any document with respect to any topic or else the field or area, you just have to go with the topic. Here I'm giving polymers, and you just click on enter. You have to go with a new document, and here you can ask what are you writing today, standard headings, smart headings, or no headings. So here I'll go with the standard heading. Polymers I'm giving start with a standard heading, so it will take some time. Here you can see that polymers, and it will give you the outline. As you can see here, introduction, literature, methodology, result discussion, like that outline it has given. So if you want, you can accept it, or else you can go with the try again. So again it will rewrite and it will give you the outline. Here you can see that it has given the introduction. When you click it on the site, so it will give you the citations. As you can see here, it is giving the citation. You can just have to copy and paste the thing, and you will get the material or as the papers with respect to the topic I have given here. Okay, like that you can go with that. Next is library. So when you go with the upload button, so here I'll go with the upload and select file. So I'm selecting one file randomly. So it is taking few minutes to upload the file. So whatever the file you are going to upload it, with respect to that you can get the AI conversation. So it is taking time to upload the file. Let's wait how it is going to work. Okay, successfully uploaded one source. Okay, when you close it, okay, this is the content. So this is the file. You can click it on. When you go to open PDF, you can go with the complete PDF for that whatever you have uploaded here. And here you can see that ask assistant and use mention, means you can ask the AI with the conversation. Here by just typing the conversation you can ask, or else you can chat with the AI. So that is the one feature with library. Then when you click it on AI chat, I'll ask what is methodology followed. Enter. You can see that it is planning and it is giving the methodology. There you can see that within fraction of second it is going to give you the methodology. See how fast it is going to give, and along with the one benefit citation. When you click on the citation, it will give you the reference also. So like this is the one tool that I wanted to show for the researchers or else for the faculties, that you can use this for to create like new document if you want to create, or else anything you want to. What are you writing today, for example polymers? So as like you can go with the start writing part. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Comment on this video in which topic you want me to create a video. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.